Hi everybody, welcome to the Business Safari. I'm Leo, and I'm here to guide you through the wild world of business and finance. Here at the Business Safari, we believe learning about business shouldn't be a jungle. That's why we offer short, easy-to-understand videos on essential business topics. Our videos will cover marketing strategies, accounting basics, financial concepts, and much more. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just curious about business, our channel is perfect for you. We break down complex ideas into simple, bite-sized lessons that you can apply right away. And the best part? Our videos are short and sweet, so you can learn quickly and get back to conquering your business goals. Ready to start your business adventure? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell to join us on our learning safari. Your journey to business mastery starts here.